Let me introduce myself. My name is 𝙎𝙤𝙚𝙦, and I'm the translator of this course. The instructor of this course is 𝙎𝙤𝙚𝙚𝙢𝙚𝙣𝙨. He's a senior technician in the industrial electricity career, and he has more than 10 years of experience, both in industrial electrical installations and in electrical installations and in homes. First, I want to tell you what a PLC is. A PLC is a programmable logic controller. You probably know the function of electromechanical relays, timers, astronomical timers, impulse relays, counters, temperature controllers, etc. All these electromechanical devices that are used in the control part using the wired logic could be replaced by a PLC. And the Siemens Logo PLC would be the smallest PLC in the range of PLCs of this brand. But the fact that it is small, economical, doesn't mean that it's a low quality or basic PLC. In reality, it is a PLC that is extremely functional, extremely versatile, and is the best option in many cases in terms of ease of programming and terms of costs. That's why, if you want to get into the part of industrial electrical automation using programming, there's no better way to start than learning how to program a Siemens Logo PLC. That's why in this course, you will be learning from the installation to the programming of a Siemens Logo PLC. And speaking of the programming of a Logo PLC, it is important to get to know that there are several ways to do it. You can do it through the keyboard that this PLC has, or you can do it through a Logos of Comfort program. So with the help of this program, you can get to program a PLC from your computer and pass this program via Ethernet or using other tools that I will be letting you know throughout this course. Also, to get to program a PLC logo, you need to know some programming languages. So in this course, you will be learning two programming languages: the function diagram and the ladder diagram. So apart from that, in this course, you will get to know the basic functions and the special functions that this Siemens Logo PLC has, which we would say are several, and you probably won't use them all when you need them. So this Siemens Logo PLC becomes extremely versatile and extremely functional in the area of industrial electrical automation in small processes. We are also going to do some practical exercises that will help you with that, like starting a sliding gate, starting a conveyor belt with different characteristics, or the alternation of water pumps. So through these practices, you will also get to know better the operation of both the programming and the physical part of the PLC logo. So this course is aimed at electricians who are already familiar with the wired logic in electrical automation. It will be essential for you to know that so that the transition to programming is easier. And that's why I want to tell you that apart from this course, I have another one that deals precisely with that, which is industrial electrical automation using wired logic. So if you want to take this course and don't understand what wired logic is, I recommend you to take this course before this one. So if this course interests you, I'm sure it will meet your expectations. And if so, I'll see you inside the course.